Another thing that needs to be added in the equations is a distance, is the whole distance from the whole of this fixed pin here. So we need to click on the vice body, change transparency. As we can see, it's not in the slot of the handle. Select this fixed pin, change transparency, double click on this bridge, select the fixed pin, select hide components, transparency, double click on this hole, go to equations, open the equations, add equation, select this dimension, global variables, select length times parentheses 6.50 divided by 125, enter. Add equation, select this dimension, global variable, select width, times parentheses, enter 3 divided by 125, enter. What we can do here, we can go in the design of the handle pin, edit part, Revolved Boss, edit sketch, select the center line in the midpoint here, straight line, select the center line, hold Ctrl key this line here, make them parallel, select this dimension and delete it, and select this center line here, to this line here, 6.5, enter. Right. Select X sketch, continue, ignore error, go to the mails, from here to here, select delete it, yes, select contours, select OK, select this circle, hold Ctrl key this line here, make them concentric. This surface here, hold Ctrl key this surface here, make them coincident.